Merry Christmas to me. Happy Vlogmas, you guys! Vlogmas starts and I thought there would be no better way than to do an unboxing for my first Christmas present, and most likely only Christmas present to myself. I decided that it was time to get a new vlogging camera. I absolutely love my G7X, but I've been using it for what, like the past 6 years, and she's starting to get a couple of screws loose in the back and it makes the camera kind of all wonky. So she's going to be my at-home camera, and this new camera is going to be my new vlogging camera. Happy Christmas, let's do an unboxing. Basically for Vlogmas this year, I just want everything to be holiday spirit vibes. Like, it might not all be exactly just for Christmas, but I just want to kind of document, you know, life in New York City and hanging out with friends and enjoying the season for what it's supposed to be meant to be. So that's like spending time with your friends and your family and doing things that fill your cup. And one of those things for me is actually creating content, because I do genuinely love it. But let's do a little unboxing. Merry Christmas to me. I got myself the Insta360 Go Ultra. Oh my god, I'm so excited, guys. I literally am freaking out. I have been looking at this camera for the past 2 months. My friend has the, I was debating on getting this or the DJI Pocket 3. And I just saw that that had like a very weak head. I have the first generation one, but I want something that I could kind of just like throw into my bag and not have to be super gentle with. So we are going to unbox her. I got a Creato combo. Why can't I speak English? I got a Creator combo, which means that of course I have the camera, I have the mini 2-in-1 tripod. It comes with the pivot stand, quick release mount, and since it was a Black Friday deal, it came with a protective case for when I'm storing it, and it should also have a SIM card in it. Or do we save the best for last? Maybe I do the camera last, I don't know. So it's just like a little carrying case. Yellow is like not my favorite color, but I feel like we could make this work. Ah, oh my god, okay, I'm freaking out a little bit. I'm freaking out just a teeny bit. It's fine. Okay, move you guys down a bit so you can see the actual unboxing process. Ignore my pile that I'm going to be donating for later. Okay, here we go. Oh my god, okay, sorry, contain myself. So first we have, oh my god, it's not gonna fall. This is the actual camera. So it's literally teeny. I don't know if you can see, this is my hand. I do not have a large hand, but it's definitely like 1/4 of the size of my palm, if not smaller. This is the actual camera, so it's teeny. Oh my god, that's a really strong look at that, that's magnet. That's really strong. So yeah, this is the actual camera. This is the box. So let's open her up. Here's all the information and the stickers. Okay, so here it comes with, this is the magnetic thing that you can put either on top of or over your clothes on your neck, so that it can give like that cool little, whoa, point of view from around your neck. That's cool. This is a very, very strong magnet. Like honestly, I was a little worried that it was gonna kind of be dropped easily, but it's like, can't you see? Like it's like actually a little difficult for me to take it off. It has its charger. Oh, this I'm excited about because you can do really cool point of views. You basically stick it onto a surface and then you stick your camera onto this. Oh, wow. And then just like magnets right on. You can do it from like the ceiling or from the side, from a door point of view, but that is so cool. And everything, like, I don't know if you can tell, it clicks into place with these 4 little notches on the side. It lines up with the indentations on the back, so it makes it even more secure so it doesn't turn. And here's the actual case for the camera. As you can see, it goes right in. Oh, cool. And then the camera screen flips up for when you're ready to take videos. There's a teeny camera, as you can see it's literally that big. This will be very discreet for when I'm trying to video, and I really like that it has this little hand holding thing, so it makes it a little bit easier to grip. It's like a little grip. Let's move on to unboxing the accessories. So this is the quick release mount. So this is the quick release mount, and it has the silver things on the back to connect with the camera. Oh wow. And then it has a bunch of little accessories to put it onto things. Ooh, okay, wait, so it comes with, oh, this I think you add to the tripod maybe? Oh no, I guess you add it to this. But this is basically like a suction cup, and it'll stick to anything if you don't have a metallic surface. Oh my god, it's all magnetic. Everything is magnetic. This is so great. It's teeny. But now we have the 2-in-1 tripod, which was one of the main reasons why I got the bundle, because with the bundle you also, again, we're supposed to get the SD card. And with this just makes it cheaper than buying everything individually, and it just made the most sense. Okay, here's the button on top. Oh. You guys, I cannot wait to use this. This is the tripod. Wait, it's like, this feels very sturdy. Pull them down and they flip out. So nice, because it can be small or it extends. Oh wow. Wait, this is so nice. So it can be a little small tripod, or it can be a really long selfie stick. Okay, we're gonna turn it on. Oh, this is the recording button, so let's try that again. We're going to turn it on. Oh my god, it's so clean. Language, obviously English. Please download the Insta360 in the App Store or Google Play to activate your camera. Okay, well let's do that real quick then. Don't worry, we're downloading. Ooh, okay. Searching for new device. Searching for new devices, so let's connect. Oh, we're connected. Okay, when the camera is located inside the action pod, click confirm on the screen. When using the camera alone, click the shoot button to confirm. So let's confirm it, shall we? We got a new little camera. We're gonna film so many fun things. Okay, that only took about 4 minutes, but update has been successful. So we're going to please reconnect the device. So I guess this is how I can download some of my images, so I'll also get it on my iPad. Okay, so you can switch the modes. It says slide left from the edge of the screen to access shooting parameters. So you can change the differences in the camera here. That is so cool. It says slide up to access shooting specs. Okay, so 4K, and you can go up to 60 frame rate. So cameras with high power consumption settings heat up quickly. It's so cute. Anyways, I'm gonna go charge this, and I think I have an extra SD card lying around, so I'm going to add it to this, and we're going to film on this, I think, starting tomorrow. But this is literally the coolest little camera I think ever, and I'm so excited to use this for the first time.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry mistletoe, while Santa's busy saying ho, ho, ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face, and later